In this video we will be looking at nth term. Now this is going to be part one of a two-part series because nth term has both linear sequences and quadratic sequences. So linear just means that the difference between each term is always going to be the same, whereas quadratic gets a little bit harder. So let's take this first sequence here. We have 2, 5, 8, 11 and 14. The first thing we want to do when we work out the nth term is calculate what is the difference between each term we have here. Now with not a lot of thinking you can see that each time we are adding 3. This indicates it's going to have something to do with the 3 times table. So that tells us our nth term is going to start with 3n. Now underneath the sequence we can write the 3 times table out. So 3, 6, 9, 12 and 15. So we want to see how different is the sequence we're given to the 3 times table. So how has it been manipulated so that it's not exactly the 3 times table? So we subtract the 3 times table from the original sequence. So each term we have 2 minus 3 minus 1, 5 minus 6 minus 1, and so on. All of the terms are minus 1. So simple as that, our final nth term, 3n minus 1. And this will work for every single linear nth term question that you get. So I think laying it out like this makes it nice and clear in exams. The examiner knows exactly what's going on and it makes it easy for you to follow it in some simple steps. Okay, let's have a look at another sequence. 6, 1, minus 4, minus 9, minus 14. This time you might notice the sequence is getting smaller, or the numbers are getting lower. So again, what is the difference between each thing? What is happening at each step? It's important here, it's a minus 5. So we're taking away 5 each term. So we know our nth term starts with minus 5n, and we write the minus 5 times table. So minus 5, minus 10, minus 15, minus 20 and minus 25. Exactly the same again, we have to subtract the minus 5 times table from the original sequence. Be careful of the double negatives this time, because 6 minus minus 5. Now we learnt in the negative numbers videos that a double negative makes a positive, so this is actually going to equal 11. Likewise, 1 minus minus 10 is the same as 1 plus 10, so 11. And as soon as you get 2 or 3 right, you can assume that the rest of them are going to be the same. But it's always good to double check it in an exam, because you may have made a mistake somewhere. So, our final solution, minus 5n plus 11. Simple as that. So this template will be used for every single exam question you may get on something like this. So thank you for watching, and I hope that helped.